the data cleaning whatever you want. It won't affect the original data. Simply you can able to use the 2018 and 2019 data and the new data. But the remaining rest of the the original data remains same. It won't be affected by the process what you're going to do it in the new data. Can you able to get my point, everyone? This is the technique. Let me tell you how to do that. Don't worry. Are you clear about the concept? Super. Okay. Now let me tell you how to do it. All right. So for that, you need to create a new Excel worksheet. How you are going to create the new Excel worksheet? Directly go to the search bar and just click the Excel and click the workbook and do process whatever you want. After done the process, directly you are going to save, go to the browse button, choose folder whatever you are going to save everything else. All right. Listen carefully. This is the old method. This is the old method. Instead of doing this old method, let me tell you the new thing. It's not actually new thing, but this is new for a lot of people. Do you know one thing? Without opening an Excel, without searching for the Excel, you can be able to create a new Excel worksheet. How many of you want to know how to do that? Okay, let me tell you. Okay, listen. Obviously, some people already know this. People, those who are already know about this concept, no problem, guys. Just have it with yourself. Okay, I'm just going to tell for the people, those who did it about this. All right, just go to the folder where you want to create a new Excel worksheet. Okay, just go to the folder where you want to create the Excel worksheet. Just 3 steps. Right click, new Excel worksheet. Okay, let me repeat again. Let me repeat it for the second time. Right click, new Excel worksheet. Let me repeat it for the third time. Right click, new Excel worksheet. That's it. So just rename the file name with whatever you want. Let me rename the file name with final. Obviously, some people know this. No problem. But how many of you completely new for this? Just open the new Excel worksheet and do the process whatever you want. That's it. It won't affect the original data. How is this? How is this? How many people are completely new for this? Okay, guys. If you guys already know this, no problem. But how many people are completely new for this? That's it. So for this kind of people, just share now. All right. Okay, done. All right, just look over this. A lot of people are completely new for this. That is the reason. All right, guys. So now let's start the data cleaning. All right. So now only we are going to start the data cleaning. Okay, let me keep the chart as private just for now to avoid the distraction. Okay. After 3 times as well, do you need to repeat again? Guys, are you serious? But ensure that this is a masterclass, guys. It's a common webinar for everyone. Like if you can't able to understand something, I can able to repeat you. That's not a problem. But just think about that. I can't able to waste the rest of the people's time as well. I can't able to spend much more time on the repetition as well because already I'm clearly explaining each and everything with more than 2 to 3 times, right? So I can't able to spend much more time on the repetition as well. So ensure that. So let me repeat it for the last time. Right click, new Excel worksheet. All right. Okay. Listen. Now we need to upload the 2018 and 2019 data to the new Excel worksheet. What we need to do? Listen carefully, guys. Before going to upload the data, make sure that you need to put the 2018 and 2019 as a folder. Create some new folder and put the 2018 and 2019 because now we are going to upload the data as a folder. Okay, can you able to get my point? Now we are going to upload the data as a folder. The reason is nothing but two major things. So for the Excel automation, one thing, let me tell you later what is Excel automation. Okay. The second one is, listen carefully. The second one is, once you are going to upload the data, while uploading the data, you can able to merge the 2018 and 2018 because just think about that. For clearing the problem number 5, simply you can able to copy paste the 2019 value to the 2018, right? So that is an easy thing, right? For merging the 2018 and 2019. Thank you so much, Alka Kumari. The way you thought is very nice way. Thank you. The pleasure. Just think about that. For clearing the problem number 5, simply you can able to copy paste the 2019 to the 2018 data, right? Is it possible? Obviously, it's possible. But just think about that. This is a small amount of data, and simply you'll be having 2 number of data. Simply you can able to copy paste the value. But what will be the situation if I'm giving 50 number of data with 10,000 number of rows in each? Can you able to copy paste the value to the copy paste each and every data as a single data? Is that possible? That's it. So that is the reason why we are going to upload the data as a folder. Now, can you able to get my point, everyone? That's it. So we are going to upload the data as a folder. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, so just open a new Excel worksheet. Just go to the data option. Just find the option as from folder. Okay, you need to search for the option as from folder. It's not a highly complex one. Just go to the get data and search it for the from folder. Here you can able to get it. Just take a screenshot. Step number 1, you need to search for the from folder option. Have you cleared the step number 1? Just two steps. Just two steps. Step number 1, you need to search for the from folder option because we are going to upload the data as a folder. Have you cleared the first step, everyone? Okay. Once you haven't clicked the from folder option, listen carefully. Once you haven't clicked the from folder option, it will be asking which folder you are going to upload. Just think about it. What folder we need to upload right now? What folder we need to upload right now? Exactly. The folder which will be containing the 2018 and 2018 because that is the data what we are going to clean the data right now, right? So just go to the folder where you guys have kept your 2018 and 19. So listen carefully. This is the step number 2. The step number 1, you need to search for the from folder option. Step number 2, just go to the folder where you guys have kept your 2018 and 19. So I'll be having my data in the data analytics live, English batch, day 2, Power Query, and just go to the directory. Okay, just go to the directory. Now you can't able to see any of the data in the folder, right? Because it's in the CSV format. That is the reason. But that's not a problem. If you're having the Excel data, so that you can able to see the data. But that is not a problem, guys. Just go to the folder and just click open. Now you can able to see the data. Just click open. Can you able to see that? 2018 and 2018, which is already inside the folder. That's it. Alright. Just two steps. Let me repeat it again. Just go to the data tab and search it for the from folder option. Once you have been clicked the from folder, it will be asking which folder you are going to upload. Just go to the folder where you guys have kept your data. That's it. Alright. I repeated more than 3 times. Have you clear about it, everyone? That's it. Now you need to choose the option as combine and transform data. Okay. Make a note. Combine and transform data because combine and load will be having another meaning. If you are choosing the combine and load, after combining the data, directly it will take you to the Excel. Then where we need to go right now? Amazing explanation, Revika. Thank you so much. Power Query. We need to go for the Power Query, right? For the power, if you are going to Power Query, we need to choose the option as combine and transform data. Okay, combine and transform data. Combine is nothing but it will be asking whether you want to combine the 2018 and 19 as a single data or not. Obviously, we need to combine and transform data. It will directly take you to the Power Query. Just click and just click OK again. That's it. Directly it will take us to the Power Query editor. That's it. I repeated more than 2 to 3 times, right? But anyway, that's not a problem. But anyway, have you clear about it, everyone? Yes. Now we are at the Power Query editor. You don't need to repeat it more than 3 times. Can you please speak with only one time? Guys, you can able to understand the first time, but not everyone can able to understand the first time, right? That is the reason why I have been explaining each and everything is more than 1 or 2 times. All right, that's not a problem for me because some people are completely new for this concept. That's it. Each and every people is important for me. Even at the same time, I can't able to spend much more time in the repetition as well. I can able to repeat 1 or 2 times or 3 times. That's it. Okay. So have you all ready for the data cleaning? Shall we start, everyone? Guys, one of the problem will be defaultly started over here. Can you able to guess which one is that? One of the problem will be defaultly started over here. Just guess. Which problem number? Which problem number? Please provide the data set. If you are looking for the data set or materials or record session, kindly please wait for the announcement. Problem number. Guys, just look over the data and answer my question. Exactly, Aditya. Very good answer. That's it. Just look over the data and answer my question. Listen. Problem number 5. Juttu Leela. Very good answer. Perfect answer. Problem number 5. 2018 and 2019 are combined as a single data. That is the reason why I'm showing the date. Just look over the data. Problem number 5. Even while looking at the data, can't able to understand? Just look over the data. So like we are now while uploading the data, we have been choose a combine and transform data. 2018 and 19 will be combined as a single data. The problem number 5. No problem. Okay. Have you guys clear with that? Okay. Let's start off the rest of the 4 problems. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. So now let me remove the unnecessary column. Okay. Let me remove some unnecessary column. Just right click and you can able to see the remove option. Just right click and remove the column which is not we are going to use it. Okay. So just right click and remove. Right click and remove serial number. We don't need it. So right click and remove order date. We don't need it. Let me remove the order date as well. Then let me keep the delivery date for the year. Okay. Have you clear about it? Problem number 2. Just now we remove the unnecessary column which is not we are going to use it for the data cleaning. So now we are just keep the data which is we are going to use it for the solution. That's it. Okay. Have you cleared the first 2 problems? So one of the problem will be automatically sorted over here. We haven't successfully merged the 2018 and 19 as a single data. One is automatically sorted over here. Second one is we haven't successfully removed the unnecessary column which we are not going to use it. That's it. Okay, super. Okay, guys, the third problem. Now we are going to segregate the year as a separate column. Guys, without the one thing, you can't be able to understand which one is date, which one is the month, and which one is year. Manish, that is the reason why we are providing the internship, Manish. Because within the 1 hour, we can't able to take everything. We can't able to cover everything. We can't able to do everything. So within the 1 hour, like I can able to follow the agenda as well, right? Just think about my situation. Without the one thing, you can't be able to understand which one is date, which one is month, and which one is year. Hyphen. Very good answer. Because the hyphen is the one which is segregating the year, date, and month, right? Then where we are going to make the split? The same hyphen. Okay, the same hyphen. So just select the column and where you can able to get the split option. Just think about it. So the complete data cleaning options will be available in where? Main ribbon, Mahisha, very good answer. In the main ribbon, that's it. So just select the column. In the main ribbon, you can able to see the split column option. Just click the split column. Here you need to choose the option as delimiter. Okay, delimiter, also known as delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but symbols, guys. Symbols. The symbols are also known as delimiter. Like symbols is nothing but dot, comma, and slash, at symbol, quotes, and hashtag, dollar symbol. These symbols are also known as delimiters. Okay, then what we need to choose right now? Delimiter, because hyphen is also a symbol. So just click the delimiter and it will automatically choose the delimiter as hyphen. You don't need to choose it by manually because this column contains only one delimiter. That is the reason why it will automatically choose the delimiter as a hyphen. If you are having multiples of delimiters in a single cell, it won't select it by automatically. You need to choose it by manually. Just click the drop down. Here you can able to see colon, comma, equals sign, semicolon, space, tab. If you want to make some customized symbols, just click the custom. It will automatically make the checkbox. In that checkbox, you can able to type the thing whatever you want, which are going to make it as a split. All right. Have you clear about it, everyone? So you need to choose the delimiter by manually. That's it. Okay, guys. And also we'll be having two more options. One more options here. Split that. Here you can able to see 3 options: leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, and each occurrence of the delimiter. If you are choosing the leftmost delimiter, it will make the split from the left side of the first delimiter. If you are choosing the rightmost delimiter, it will make the split from the right side of the first delimiter. Then what will be happen if you are choosing each occurrence of the delimiter? I have much more time, Mehera Kanam. Only 12 minutes left. Who the hell are you, man? Told me the time to complete the webinar. This is my masterclass. I'm just here to give the knowledge to the participants, those who are really interested to learn. Alright? If you're having any works or commitment, you will leave. No problem. You don't need to remain with the time. Alright? So, because I'm not here to just to time pass. I'm just here to give some valuable knowledge for the people, those who are ready to learn. If you are thinking about the time, just leave my webinar because it's not a paid webinar. You are not going to waste any of the money here. Right? Ensure that. So have you all clear with it, everyone? So what will be happen if you are choosing each occurrence of the delimiter? What will be happen if you are choosing each occurrence of the delimiter? All exactly. So how many number of, like, just think about that. If you are having 5 number of delimiter, each and every delimiter will automatically make splitter. All right. That's it. So listen carefully. Let me show you what will be happen if you are choosing each occurrence of the delimiter. You are doing great, sir. Thank you so much, Anshika. So for this kind of people, we are conducting this masterclass. People those who are literally ready to learn anything for their career. Not not for the people those who are just here to time pass Without having the knowledge, with the certificate, what you are going to do? Who is going to provide a job for you? Just think about that. All right. So let me click OK, and the date, month, and year will be automatically segregated as a separate column. And now let me remove the date and month, which is not necessary. All right. Just right click and remove. Right click and remove. That's it. So finally, we got the year as a separate column. Got it? Yes. Let me rename the column name. Just double tap on it and YEER. That's it. Finally, we got the year as a separate column. Have you all clear with that, everyone? That's it. So finally, we got the year as a separate column, which is based on a requirement. Okay, very good. Very clear. Superb, superb, superb. Okay, guys. Guys, listen. We need to do the same exact splitting process in another column. What is that? We need to do the same exact data cleaning process in another place. Where is it? Just think about it. Where is that? Exact answer. Perfect answer. Perfect answer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, in the value column. Okay. Listen. Then what we need to do? Can you able to tell me the procedure? Exactly. Split. Then what will be the, what is that? Delimiter. Dot. Perfect. Just select the column. Okay. Just select the column and just go to the split column. Here you need to choose the, it will automatically choose the delimiters dot. Alright, that's it. So just click OK. The value and rupees will be segregated as a separate column. Just right click the value column and just click remove. That's it. Finally, we got the value as a separate column. That's it. Still one more problem left. Have you clear with the problem number 4, everyone? Perfect. Thank you so much. Wahid, very good. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me go with the last problem. What is the last problem pending? What is the last problem? Exactly. Gokul Raj. Merge, solid addition, and name. Veni. Very good answer. And a lot of people are already been going in advance. Very good. Super. That's it. That's the spirit. Very good. Very good. I just like these kind of people's guys. Like instead of asking the attendance or instead of asking the time or instead of remaining the time, these people are completely here to learn something and these guys are really going advanced. I just love this kind of people. Seriously. That is the reason why we are conducting this masterclass. Right? So you guys deserve this masterclass certificate. Without the knowledge, with that certificate, what you're going to do? So we need to have the certificate only for the knowledge, not for the knowledge for the certificate. All right? Ensure that. So listen. So how can we merge the solid addition name as a single column? It's simple, guys. By pressing Control, you can able to select multiples of column. By pressing Control, all right. By pressing Control, you can able to select multiples of column and just right click. Okay, just right click. Here you can able to see the merge options. Here you can able to see the merge option. Just click the merge option. And guys, you need to choose a column in order. Okay, which you want to keep it as the first one and which you want to keep it as the second one. All right. So here we need to add any separator? Obviously, if you're not adding the separator, the name and solidation will be added as a single column without segregating any of the things. Just think about that. If the name is Mr. Ashwin, like if I'm not adding any of the separator, the name will be displayed like this, Mrashwin, right? Mrashwin, just like that. So ensure that you need to add the separator. Just click the drop down. If you're having any kind of options over there, you can able to get it. Or else just click the custom. And here we can able to add the space or dot. Whatever maybe. Let me add the dot. And also let me rename the column name as well. Name, that's enough. Just click OK. Finally, we got the name. Finally, we have been merged the solidation name is a single column. Successfully, we have been transformed the data according to the requirement. Just look over the data. Which customer, how much they totally pay for me, in which year. Finally, I have been transformed data as per my requirement. That's it. So, have you all completely satisfied with the data cleaning? Everyone? Can you please post your chat right now? Have you all completely satisfied with the data cleaning? Yes. So if you guys are clear with that, now let me tell you the Excel automation. Have you all ready for the magic, everyone? How many of you remember the magic which I was told you in the day one webinar? Okay, just wait a few minutes. Okay, let me tell about the magic. Okay. All right. So let me keep the chat as private just for a few minutes to avoid the distraction. Really enjoying the learning with you. Thanks a lot. With pleasure, Bhavani. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Guys, but before going to the Excel automation, we need to know one thing. Listen, we need to upload the transform data to the Excel because This is a place where you can able to do the data cleaning. But here you can't able to create the chart or graph, right? Then what we need to do? We need to upload the transform data to the Excel, right? It's simple process. Can you please see the close and load option here? Can you please see the close and load? Very good, Nandakishore. Super, super, super. Okay, so just click the close and load. Directly it will take you to the Excel with the transform data. Just look over that. And guys, let me tell you one more thing. Guys, if I didn't tell you the option, like directly you need to do the same process again. Listen carefully. If you have mistakenly missed any one of the data cleaning, now you need to go for the same Power Query again, where you left. How you are going to do that? If I didn't tell you the option, definitely you are going to do the same exact data cleaning from the scratch again, right? You don't need to do it again. Listen. Let me tell you. Just go to the data tab. Okay, just go to the data tab, and in that data tab, you can able to see the queries and connection. Okay, you can able to see the queries and connection option. Just click the queries and connection. You can able to see the what is the folder name? Do you have remember that? What is the folder name? Data set. Very good. So here you can able to see the data set. Also, you can able to preview the data set as well. Just look over that. The complete data, what we have been transformed. So you need to double tap on the data set. Directly it will take you to the Power Query again, where you guys left your operation. You are happy with this tip, everyone? Here after you don't need to repeat the same process again from the scratch. Just go to the query tab, just go to the queries and connection, data tab, queries and connection. Directly it will take you to the Power Query, and again do the process whatever you want. If you want to undo the process, just click the cross mark over here and again click the close and load. Again it will take you to the Excel. That's it. Very informative. With pleasure. Guys, have you all enjoyed the webinar, everyone? Yes. How's the webinar going? How's the webinar going? Are you guys learning something new? Okay. all right. Guys, for explaining the Excel automation, I'm just going to create some chart. Okay. You don't need to note it down because let me tell you later how to create the chart or graph in the day 4 webinar from the scratch. Okay. And now just for an Excel automation, I'm just going to create a chart and graph. So just watch me what I'm doing. Okay. You don't need to note it down. Just select the data, go to the insert tab. Here you can able to see a lot of charts over there. Like choose this data, choose the chart diagram, whatever. You don't need to note it down. Please, you don't need to note it down. So you don't need to note it down because in the day 4 webinar, let me clearly explain how to create a chart like this and how to create a report. Everything else in the day 4 webinar. Let me clearly explain what is the axis and what is the primary vertical, what is chart title, everything else. Okay, what is data label in the day 4 webinar. Now I just added this chart for the just for some formality to show you the difference while we are automating the entire process. Okay, then have you all ready, everyone? Okay, ready. Super. Listen, guys. After completing this process, now we are going to hand over the data to me. Okay, hand over the data to me. While hand over the data to me, I'm just going to give you one more task. Stop. So just wait. Just now, my finance team shared the 2020 data. What you need to do is listen carefully. Just add this 2020 data to the same report again, which you have been created right now. Because this is a small process, that's not a problem. This is a 20 to 20 minutes process. You can able to do it easily. But just think about it. Just assume it with the bigger data. Now we are going to work with a bigger amount of data for the past 2 hours. It will be the data cleaning will be consuming nearly 2 to 3 hours, and also will be creating a lot of charts and graphs. Now you'll be getting another data with the same problem, which will be consuming 2 to 3 hours. What do you need to do here, and what will be the emotion from the situation? I will resign my job. Okay. I will kill him and go to the jail. All right. Okay. For a moment. Okay. Get frustrated. Okay. Listen. Do you think is it possible? You can able to automate the entire operation. What you have been performed in the 2018 and 2019 did the 2020 data within 10 seconds. Do you think is it possible? Within 10 seconds. How can we clean the unnecessary column? How can we remove the rupees, and how can we segregate the years separate column? How can we merge the solid name single column? Like, can we able to do all the process within 10 seconds? Is this possible? Yes, with you, sir. I can't able to do that. How can I? I'm also a human, right? I don't know anything magic. But it is possible. It is possible. Okay. Now let me tell you how to do that. Have you ready? Okay, guys. Due to lot of responses, my chat is getting freeze. Just wait a minute. Let me refresh the chat and let me show you the magic. Okay. Just wait for oh my god, Chandrasekhar Verma. You are the only person asking the attendance, man. Still now nobody is asking the attendance. Sharp, you guys are asking the attendance. If you are having any work or commitment, you may leave the webinar. The webinar is going much more interesting. Kindly please don't ask the attendance and spoil my webinar. Alright? Guys, kindly please wait for 2 minutes. Let me refresh the chat and let me show you the magic. Okay? So my chat is getting freeze. Just wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let me show you the magic. Okay? Alright, just wait for 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes.
বুঝতে পারছি আমি সবই বুঝতে পারছি কিন্তু আমি এখন নিরুপায় হয়ে গেছি ভাই আমার কাছে যদি তো আমি তোকে ঠিক দিয়ে দিতাম কোথায় আছো বুঝতে পেরেছেন
The announcement shortly. So just wait. All right. So guys, so from the as per the commitments, the day is completely free. The only thing is you need to transfer 20 days with 70% reduction. Right. So we are also providing a 1 month online internship. Yes. So if you are interested in forward in but facing money is a major problem. If you cannot 1.5 big course, you don't need to worry about it. You can have this internship. I can able to guide you to get a job in IT sector. All right. So because a lot of people are already getting placed with the help of my internship, I want to show you the result as well. So if you are looking for the record session, data sets, materials, and apart from that, if you are looking for the proper mentorship to guide you to get a job in IT sector, obviously the internship is for you. So this is for you. This complete agenda you are going to explore it in the both masterclass as well. But the masterclass will be automatically closed after 30 days. All right. Yes, within 30 days. But the internship is the continuation of the masterclass. After the masterclass, what you need to do. So how can we learn, what to learn, and where to learn, how to improve knowledge to become a job ready candidate, how to get a job in any sector, the interview preparation, mentorship, and everything else that will be covered in the internship. So if you are serious about your career, if you really want to get a job in any sector, but if you are facing money is a major problem, hereafter the money will be the problem for you. You can able to join this internship easily. All right. Yes. So people those are going to join my internship, so you are going to get 30 days recorder sessions. All right. 30 days recorder session, and also you can able to get 25 plus mind maps like this. Okay, 25 plus mind maps and data as 200 interview questions, and each and every data what you're going to use it for the hands-on, and also you can able to get the access for VIP community internship certificate and daily live conversation, VIP WhatsApp group access to clarify doubts and queries, to communicate with the industry oriented people, to connect with the like tech peoples like that. You can able to join the VIP WhatsApp group, and also this course will be available for a lifetime course validity with lifetime internship. All right. So guys, ensure that today we'll be having some surprise announcement. Listen. So I have a very important announcement for everyone. So yesterday we opened an enrollment for a 1 month internship opportunity, and the response was very amazing. Seriously, thank you so much everyone who enrolled and took an action immediately, because a lot of people are enrolled as I expected more than, right. So after yesterday's session, our support team received a lot of messages. So from the participants saying, sir, I couldn't enroll yesterday because I needed this. I needed to discuss it with my parents. I had a payment related issues. Please don't close the offer. That's the reason why we extend this offer for the 12 o'clock as well. I don't want to miss this opportunity. Like, we have carefully received all those requests. So we have decided to do something special. Listen carefully. So today also, the total value of this internship is 70,000. Not for you. If you are facing money is a major problem, here money won't be the problem for you. Listen carefully. The offer is extended for you. The same 1499 guys. Yes, we are completely happy with this announcement. Everyone, the same exact 1499 is again close to missing the offer. Please ensure that. So we have decided to do something, but ensure that